Inilabas ng U.S. Department of Justice ang mga dokumento mula sa investigasyon kay convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. NJ de Guzman para sa balitang yan.
300,000. Dami ng pahina ng mga dokumentong inirelease kamakailan kaugnay ng kaso ng kontrobersyal at dating financier na si Jeffrey Epstein. Bahagyang borado ang maraming bilang ng mga litrato at dokumento na inilabas, kabilang ang ilan na tila may graphic content. Kasama rito ang pahina ng stationery na may mga mensahe. Isa sa mga ito ay nagsasabing, "I have a female for him." Ang pagre-release na ito ng mga dokumento at litrato ay matapos ang ilang buwang bunumbraso sa Kongreso. Gayon din ang pag-alma ng kahit mga taga-suporta ni Pangulong Donald Trump laban sa anilay pag-aatubili ng administrasyon na gawing publiko ang lahat ng records kaugnay sa investigasyon kay Epstein. Gayunman, ayon sa isang criminal defense attorney na si Randy Zellin, walang maaaresto batay sa mga dokumento at litratong inilabas.
If there was anything that could even be remotely prosecuted, I assure you, it would not be released because it would be used to bring about an arrest. And last time I checked, if we're planning on arresting somebody, as President Trump likes to say, I don't usually tell the people I'm coming after what I'm planning to do to them. So no, if you're planning on making an arrest, you don't display that on a publicly available website before you make that arrest. So nobody's getting arrested.
Tutol si California Democratic Representative Ro Khanna saan niya hindi kompleto at maraming burang mga dokumento.
We know from the survivors' lawyers who've seen a lot of the files what are the key documents. Obviously, we can't be sure if it's fully comprehensive, but there are a lot of survivors' lawyers who've seen many of the key documents. There are many survivors and survivors' lawyers who know some of the other rich and powerful men who were on Epstein's rape island, who want those names out there, who know other men who trafficked in women or in some cases even abused women. And if those names are not coming out there, if those witness interviews are not coming out there, we know it's an incomplete release.
Samantala, kinuwestiyon naman ng White House ang umano'y kaugnayan ng Democrats kay Epstein matapos ilabas ang nasabing mga dokumento. Ang kontrobersyal na mga dokumento at litrato ay makikita ng publiko sa justice.gov/Epstein. NJ de Guzman, Washington DC para sa Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.